Tonight, we're tracking a change in the weather.
A winter weather advisory is in effect for several counties. So let's bring in Chief Meteorologist Betsy Kling. Betsy, let's get to it. When should we expect the rain to turn into snow here?
I think pretty soon we're going to see that changeover taking place. We have had rain all day today, warm, mild temperatures. It's tonight that we're going to see that change taking place and beginning to add up. Winter weather advisory, 1 a.m. overnight tonight through 1 a.m. Saturday. So that's kind of the time frame of when the bulk of the snow will be falling. And notice it is not just the primary snow belt. Secondary snow belters, you are in this. And that does include Lorain County, Medina County, and Summit County. Areas farther south, areas farther west, not expected to receive as much snow, but I think you're going to get a healthy coating. For now, it is still rain, but the cold air is beginning to mix in. And where you're seeing these yellows and oranges to the west, that is a sign that the radar is beginning to see snow rather than just rain in the upper parts of the atmosphere. And we're likely to start to see some of the snowflakes actually reaching the ground fairly soon. On the roads, it's been a little bit of slow going today. It's been pretty tricky on the highways, especially. Most of the side roads have just had a lot of standing water. But you can see how our storm system, which is an area of low pressure that's extending over toward Pittsburgh, is beginning to wrap in some of that colder air. And at least the radar interpretation is saying we are starting to get some of those wet snowflakes reaching the ground as colder air continues to pour in. And you can see this northern wind that we have going on. That will kind of change things over completely, and then we'll get the fluff factor going late tonight, and that's where we'll start to really add up as far as the accumulations. So areas west will see the change first. That is starting to happen right now. The change will slowly but surely work its way to the east as we go through the rest of the evening. By about 8 p.m., the snow is still west of Cleveland, at least as of right now. We could have a little bit of a rain-snow mix, but I would have to say once we reach the midnight hour, the majority of northeast Ohio will be having snow coming down. And now we're going to add the lake into the mix in all of this. So the winter storm impacts for tomorrow morning especially, you will plan on extra drive time. I think we could have some tricky travel. Just set the alarm clock a little bit earlier than normal. Eye alerts are possible. We'll just put that out there. Reduced visibility because of windy conditions. That'll continue through the day tomorrow, and wind chills to 15 degrees or so. We've been through worse. So as far as the forecast goes, I got to tell you, friends, this is not a big one for us, but it could be impactful for your Friday morning and beyond. Laura?
All right, Betsy, a lot more to come. Thank you so much.